Incense. Burning incense is a common practice in many cultures and religions. The fragrant smoke is believed to cleanse the air, promote relaxation, and elevate consciousness. You can choose from a variety of incense scents, such as sandalwood, frankincense, or lavender, depending on your desired effect. Meditation. Meditation is a practice of quieting the mind and focusing on the present moment. There are many different meditation techniques, so you can find one that works for you. Even just a few minutes of meditation each day can help you to reduce stress, improve focus, and gain inner peace. Journaling. Journaling is a great way to reflect on your thoughts and feelings. It can help you to identify patterns in your thinking, process difficult emotions, and set goals for yourself. You can write about anything you like in your journal. From nature walks. Spending time in nature can be a powerful spiritual experience. The beauty of the natural world can help us to feel connected to something larger than ourselves. Go for a walk in the park, hike in the forest, or simply sit outside and listen to the birds sing. Yoga. Yoga is a mind-body practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. It can help you to improve your flexibility, strength, and balance, as well as reduce stress and anxiety. There are many different mantras. A mantra is a repeated word or phrase that can be used to focus the mind and achieve a desired state of consciousness. Mantras can be chanted aloud, whispered silently, or simply thought about. They are often used in gratitude practice. Taking time each day to appreciate the good things in your life can have a profound impact on your well-being. There are many ways to practice gratitude, such as keeping a gratitude journal, writing thank you notes, or simply taking a moment each day to reflect on what you are grateful for. Random acts of kindness. Doing something kind for someone else is a great way to connect with your community and make a difference in the world. It can also be a way to practice compassion and generosity. There are endless possibilities for random acts of kindness, so get creative and see what you can come up with. Creative expression. Whether you enjoy painting, writing, dancing, or making music, creative expression can be a powerful tool for spiritual growth. It allows you to connect with your inner self and express your unique perspective on the world. Service. Serving others is a great way to connect with your community and make a difference in the world. It can also be a way to practice humility and compassion. There are many ways to get involved in service, so find something that you are passionate about and give back to your community. Crystals. Purpose. Believed to have unique energies that can enhance well-being. Carry or wear crystals, meditate with them, or place them in specific areas to promote positive energy. Sage or Palo Santo. Purpose. Used for smudging to cleanse negative energy. Burn sage or Palo Santo and allow the smoke to cleanse yourself or your living space. Tarot cards. Purpose. Used for divination and gaining insights into one's life. Pull a daily card for guidance or engage in more elaborate spreads for deeper insights. Essential oils. Purpose. Used for aromatherapy to influence mood and emotions. Diffuse essential oils, apply them to pulse points, or add a few drops to bathwater for a sensory experience. Altar or sacred space. Purpose. Designated area for spiritual practices and reflection. Arrange meaningful items like candles, statues, or symbols to create a sacred and personal space. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to incorporate spiritual tools into your life. The most important thing is to find what works for you and makes you feel good. Experiment with different practices and see what resonates with you. I hope this list gives you some ideas for how to incorporate more spirituality into your daily life. May you find peace, joy, and purpose on your spiritual journey.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Peace and harmony to you all. I'm signing out.
Like, comment, and subscribe.